Hello students, now in today's video we'll see the second method to find mean, and the name of the method is assumed mean method. Okay, so the formula to find mean by assumed mean method is mean is equal to x bar, that is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon capital N, where what is a? A is nothing but the assumed mean. ठीक है, and di is equal to xi minus a. This factor fi di is nothing but xi minus a. By this formula we can find the value for di. The same formula we can write as x bar is equal to a plus d bar. What is d bar? D bar is nothing but sigma fi di upon capital N. Okay, same di is equal to xi minus a. Sometimes in examination, one mark question is there. For MCQ also it may ask that value for a is given, value for d bar is given, and find the mean by assumed mean method, or the value of the assumed mean is dash dash dash. Okay, so remember this formula, and also this any one formula you have to use. Okay, to understand this method we consider the example from practice set 6.1, that in the following table the toll paid by drivers and the number of vehicles is shown. Find the mean of the toll by assumed mean method. Okay, so toll is given in rupees 300 to 400, 4 to 500, 5 to 600, 6 to 700, and 7 to 800, and number of vehicles are given 80, 110, 120, 70, and 40. Okay, first we have to find the class mark. Okay, as we find in the previous examples, by same method we have to find the class mark, that is denoted by xi, and the number of vehicles is the column for fi. Okay, so how we find xi? So first we consider the first class 300 to 400. Just add those numbers, 300 plus 400, that is 700, and 700 divided by 2, that gives 350. Okay, that is the class mark for first class. For second class it will be 450. Just add them and divide it by 2. 500 to 600, it is 550, then 650, and here it is 750. Okay, after that find the value for di. Di is nothing but xi minus a. Okay, so from this class marks 350, 450, 550, 650, and 750, out of these five values consider any one values as a value for a, that is our assumed mean. Okay, you can consider any one value. Okay, generally we consider the middle value, so we consider this 550 as the value for a. You can take 450, 650, 750, 350, will do. That is your choice. Answer is same for any value of a. Okay, so here we consider the value for a as 550. So for first we find the first value for di. Okay, that is d1. If you put I is equal to 1, then you will get d1. d1 is equal to x1 minus a. x1, here x1 is 350 minus a. 350 minus 550, that will be minus 200, minus 200. Then 450 minus 550, for second value it will be minus 100. 550 minus 550, it is 0. 650 minus 550, it is 100, and 750 minus 550, it is 200. These are the values for di. Okay, now after that find the value for fi into di. Fi into di. So here fi value is 80, and here it is minus 200. So here minus sign will come, because this is plus, this is minus, so plus minus minus, and then 8 2s are, just multiply 8 into this 2, 8 2s are 16. Now here there is one zero, there are two zeros in 200, so total number of zeros are 3, so we add 3 zeros here. Okay, that is the multiplication for 80 into 200. Then 110 into 100, so 11 into 1, here again minus sign will come, then 11 ones are 11. Now here 1 0, here two zeros are there, so total number of zeros are 3. Then 120 zeros are 0. 70 into 100, so 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, and again 3 zeros we have to add. This is 1 0, and these are the two zeros, so total number of zeros 3. So here 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, and here 1 0, there are 2 zeros, so 1 2 3 zeros. Okay, just add these numbers with same sign, with equal sign. So here it will be 0 0 0, 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 1 2, and here minus sign will come, and here it will be 0 0 0, and 7 plus 8, it will be 15. So minus 227,000 and plus 15,000, different signs are there. Always take subtraction. So 27 minus 15, it is 12,000. Okay, and we have to put the greater number sign, which is minus 12,000, and just add the number of vehicles. So it will be 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. Then 7 plus 4 11, 12 13 14, 14 plus 8 22, 2, 2 carry 2 3 4, 420. So here value for n, that is the total frequency, is 420 sigma FIDI. These are the values, that is minus 12,000, and value for A we consider as 550. Okay, so these are the values. Now we write the formula. Mean is equal to, so mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi di upon capital N, that is equal to, value for A, it is 550, plus sigma Fi di, it is minus 12,000, divided by N, N is 420. Okay, just simplify this. So you will get is equal to this 550 as it is, 550, 550, then this plus into minus, it is minus this 12,000 divided by, it is 420. Okay, so this 0 get cancelled. Now just simplify this. 12 1200 upon 42, so it will be 6 2s are 12, zeros are 0, zeros are 0, 6 7s are 42. Okay, then 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, how much left? 6 left, and 7 8s are 56, 4 left, just take point, add 1 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 left. Okay, again add 1 0, 7 4s are 28, 2 left, add 1 0, 7 2s are 14. Up to 3 decimal place we find the answer. You will get 550, 550 minus 28.542. Okay, so up to 2 decimal place the answer will be 550 minus 28.52. Just see the third digit. If the third digit is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 in the previous digit. Okay, but there is 2 which is less than 5, so we keep that 4 as it is, 5 4. Okay, now take the subtraction. So 550.00, because in first number there is no decimal point, in second number there is decimal point with 2 digits after decimal point, so we take 2 zeros after decimal, and here it will be 28.54. Okay, now we have to take subtraction. Now 0 minus 4 not possible, take borrow, now here there is 5, so from 5 we take borrow 1. Okay, here 10 comes, here 9 left, here 10 comes, here 9 left, here 10 comes, 10 minus 4, that is 6, 9 minus 5, that is 4, decimal point, 9 minus 8 1, 4 minus 2 2, and this 5 as it is equal to 521.46, and therefore the mean of the toll, therefore the mean of the toll is 521.46 rupees. So in this way we have to solve the examples, or we have to find the mean by assumed mean method. You got this? Okay, now we'll see one more example on this. A frequency distribution table for the production of oranges of some farm owners is given below. Find the mean production of oranges by assumed mean method. So here production in 1000 rupees given, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50. Okay, and the number of farm owners are given 20, 25, 15, 20 and 10. Okay, the second column is the column for FIR. Okay, here we find the class mark first, class mark, that is denoted by xi. Okay, now first class is 25 to 30, add them and divided by 2, so you will get 25 plus 30, that is 55. 55 divided by 2, you will get 27.5. you can check. Okay, 30 to 35, it will be 32.5, here it will be 37.5, 42.5 and 47.5. okay, these are the values for xi. Now after that, find di is equal to xi minus a. Okay, out of these values 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5 and 47.5, out of these 5 values, consider any one value as a value for a. Any one value you can take. Okay, generally we consider the middle value, so we take 37.5 as the value for a. Now the first value, that is d1, is equal to x1 minus a. x1 is 27.5 minus a, that is 37.5. so 27.5 minus 37.5, it is minus 10. 32.5 minus 37.5, you will get minus 5. Then here it will be 0, here it is 5 and here it is 10. Okay, now after that, find fi into di, find this multiplication. So here fi value is 20 into minus 10, you will get minus 2 ones are 2 and here 1 0, here 1 0, total number of zeros are 2. So 25 5s are 25 5s are, it is 125. 15 zeros are 0, 10 5s are 50 and here 10 10s are 100. Okay, just add the negative numbers, so you will get 5 2, 2 plus 1 3, minus sign, and here it will be 150. Okay, so different signs are there, always take subtraction. So 325 minus 150, it will be 5 minus 0, it is 5, 12 minus 5, it is 7. Okay, and it is 175, minus 175, and addition of this fi is 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 80. So here value for n, it is 80. Sigma fi di, that value is minus 175, and value for a we consider as 37.5. okay, so in this way we complete the table. Now after that, formula for mean is nothing but mean is equal to x bar, that is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon capital N, that is equal to value for a, it is 37.5 plus fi di, it is minus 175 divided by n, that is 80. So you will get 37.5 plus minus minus 175 upon 80. Now here in 175 upon 80, the unit place digit contains 0 and 5. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So divided by 5. So here it will be 5 1s are 5, 3 left, 5 6s are 13, and here 5 3s are 15, 2 left, 5 5s are 25. So you will get 37.5 minus 35 upon 16 is equal to 37.5 minus, now after simplifying this, 35 upon 16, you will get the approximate value up to 2 decimal place as 2.19, and the final result you will get as 35.31. Okay, and therefore at last right there the mean production, therefore the mean production of oranges is 35.31 thousand rupees. Okay, so in this way we have to solve examples by assumed mean method. बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसके अंदर, समझ में आ गया कैसे सॉल्व करना है इसको. Okay, now in next video we'll see the third method, that is step deviation method in the next video. Thank you.